Sa to, Che? Ay, bypass dito. Good morning mga kasikad. Merry Christmas to all. Today is the 25th of December. This pandemic year 2020. This is our Christmas ride. Woohoo! Behind me is my riding buddy, Cousin El Chinito, with his Pro Max Leopard 57R, and mine is also a Pro Max 27.5. Today is a one fine gloomy day. Ideal day to ride. A little bit of a shower, rain shower, but all good. We're heading to Pangi Road. Balosa na to tagsaka tong naputlan kog kadena. So, enjoy the rest of the video. Sa muka! Woohoo! Survive the ride. Mana ni? Balos na kita ni. Tara. Uy. 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 Diri ra ako nag-midring. Nag-midring. Ha? Angon sa? Manobela? O sige, manong sa ta diri. Tara, resume. Resume the climb. Let's go, boys. Oops. Resume the climb. Baluson ti ka diri. Okay. Ha? Na. Na. Pag hindi may kadalag chain cutter. Ang hinahinay lang sa kita diri. Uy! Ay, sag-ambak ka. Okay. The trail is on. This is what we're looking for. Na. Trail. Alright. Dire oh. Dire ko naputlan. Di ako nag-sandal. Alright. Ayaw man day. Karon na namin sa Catalonan. We're heading to Mintal. Medyo talaksik siya gamay. Pero okay ra. Padayon Japan. Woo! Now we're in the middle of nowhere here in Mintal. Pero with the help of Google Maps, wow, we'll be able to see asan eh Badong. Oh Diyos ko. Wow! Oh, ha? Subida. Kana mo gipangita, che. Tara! Hinay-hinay lang dito kay watay dala chain cutter. Hinalagsa ka subida. Makasaka lagi ta. Okay. Ay! Oh ha? Subida ta. Now we're on Junction Takunan. On my right, padulong sa nailusot diri pa Kalinan. And on my left is Pamintal, Deca Homes. So, diri ta. Tara. Let's go, boys. Dog, wait. Barangay Takunan. So we're here at Deca Homes Mental. It's 9:30. 40. 9:40 in the morning of Christmas Day. 9:40. And what a good day to ride one's bike. As you can see, wala tayo arm warmer, so all good. We don't need it. And my cousin at Alche, abot na yung Shopee. So we decided na mamuli na going back home. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button or hit the like button if you enjoy this video. To see the rest of my Laag vlog. This is Tonyo Leagero. Peace. Merry Christmas.